So first of all, welcome to edition 2022 Advanced Auditing, and thanks a lot for showing trust and subscribing to my Advanced Auditing classes. And please, I request you to watch this video till the end. By the way, you will find this video, you would have got a Google Drive link, right? Okay, you'll got a Google Drive link in the mail which I sent. So must watch intro. In this you will find this video. Of course, I think you would have, once you open you understood. Okay, because I have not yet uploaded. So what are all the things that you're going to get from me? What precautions you have to take so that in paper 3 advanced auditing you can give the best. Always remember, I never prepare the subject based on exam trend. I never. I prepare in such a way, whatever the paper comes, I can handle it. That's how I prepare even when I'm preparing for my CA final. You know what? I never prepared 100% syllabus. I hardly prepared some 70% syllabus. But anyhow, whether you have taken full course or whether you have taken smart course, you are going to get the following material. By the way, what you're going to get, first let me explain you how it works. Please watch this video till the end. Every student, whoever has got edition 2022. Okay, so kindly watch. Now you see here, if you check the Google Drive link, you are having these folders. Here the last one is softwares folder, which you have to download, on which you need to watch the class. Okay, content browser. And for your benefit, I even have added a main material soft copy. This material will also be watched only from content browser. Of course, you are getting hard copy, right? Why you have to watch on soft copy? And then you are getting MCQ lectures. MCQ lectures. See, MCQ lecture is not about MCQ reading. It's about decoding how to solve MCQ, that technique. Even I'm going to give you revision lectures. This folder is empty. You can find videos in this folder in the month of March. Okay, March 2022 for May attempt students. Suppose if you're a November attempt student, you will find November related revision lectures in the month of August or September. So please be careful. Then coming to question bank. So I gave question bank, related videos are also given in that. And coming to the main material, you are getting totally 4 materials, right? One is module 1, another one 1A, another module 2, another module that you are getting is question bank. For all that content, videos are there. And this is instructions. This folder contains instructions, the video which you're watching right now. Kindly watch this video till the end, please don't skip. So effectively speaking, the moment you joined with me for advanced auditing, what I request you is only follow my instructions. Because you are trusting on me and joined, trust on me completely. Don't apply your personal principles to it. Everything, whatever suggestion or instruction I'm giving, I am giving it with lot of logical analysis. I don't speak just like that blindly. I do a specific research, I do analyze things, I do everything logically and then give you. So what you are getting totally, you are going to get a content maximum of 200 hours. 200 hours. So what are there in the 200 hours? What is the 200 hours content? This module 1 lectures, 1A lectures, 2 lectures, question bank lectures, revision lectures, MCQ lectures. All these 5 folders together. Not 5 folders, I think 6 folders together. You are going to get 200 hours. How that 200 hours is going to split? Okay. So, at the beginning, you must know what you're going to do in audit. You must know how you are going to, decode this entire subject. So how this 200 hours I'm going to split. In this 200 hours, approximately 150 to 160 hours. Okay. This is for module 1 explanation, 1A explanation 2. And you know what? This entire module 1, 1A, 2 together totally consists of 22 chapters. Totally consists of 22 chapters. If you see here, this is module 1. This is module 1. Okay. If you see here, module 2 reference is given for 3 chapters. Sir, where is module 1A? 1A is just a split from 1. From 9th chapter, 1A module will start. From 9th chapter. Okay. And wherever I mentioned module 2, you are getting it in module 2 material. Getting it? Now, coming to. So 150 to 160 hours of, this one, main content. And then the second thing what you have to do after watching this is the question bank videos you have to watch. Question bank videos will be 10 to 15 hours. I think not even 10 to 15, I must say it is only 10 hours maximum 10 hours. Question bank videos. What is question bank videos? I am taking these questions from pronouncements, important concepts from pronouncement book. Already main material is completely from ICI study material. My entire auditing material is in line with the ICI study material. You know what content you are getting? Module 1 and 1A together, it is 685 pages. Module 2 is some 117 pages. Question bank is some 114 pages. In addition to this, for few concepts, we are following ICA material. For which concepts? For some standards, some 4 or 5 auditing standards. And for fiscal loss audit under fiscal loss, direct tax. For that, we are straight away following ICA material. And for 1 or 2 concepts in bank audit chapter also, we are following ICA material. So roughly from ICA material, approximately some 170 to 180 pages content we are following from ICA material. Lectures, our lectures are taken from ICA material with respect to 170, 180 pages content. Total, if you total it up, the entire content size is at least 1100 pages. Yes, you heard it right, 1100 pages. If anybody tell you, if at all anybody try to tempt you, hey, my audit material is 400 pages, you will guaranteely qualify. Don't believe him. It is impossible. I'm telling you, it is impossible. Maybe you'll qualify if the paper is very, 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 very simple. If the paper is tough. And I bet no matter what material you follow, if at all the material is very easy, you cannot crack not even 5 MCQs. Especially for cracking MCQs, it requires a separate skill set, and that skill set will be developed by the time you watch this entire main lectures. Believe me, by the time you watch this entire 150 to 160 hours of video lectures and question bank 10 hours, you will get that ability, skill set to solve MCQs without revision. I bet. And moreover, I'm not giving you any risk also, okay? For MCQs also, I am taking only ICI study material. Only from that, I will explain you how to solve the MCQ. Here it is not about reading question, figuring out the answer. Here it is about decoding. Why these 3 answers are wrong? Why this answer is right? Why not these 3? In that way, you have to learn the MCQ. There is a complete different art of decoding MCQs. So with respect to MCQs, I'm going to give you some 15 hours videos, 15 hours approximately. Then what else? Revision videos. So revision means marathon only, no? Yes, it is like a marathon, but I'm not uploading it in YouTube. This is an exclusive revision videos which I'm doing for all my students, whoever have joined. This is a complimentary for everyone, whether you are a smart course student or full course. By the way, if you're a smart course student, for you the main content will be 110 hours, maximum 100 or 110. Remaining everything will be common for you. Remaining 3, question bank video, MCQ video, revision video, is common for every student, whether you're a smart course or full course. But for full course, for full course 150 to 160 main content, and smart course it is only 110. I always recommend students to take up full course unless you are running out of time. Absolutely fine. Revision videos. So what is revision videos? Revision videos, here you are going to have 20 to 25 hours of revision videos. Encrypted videos I'm going to provide with 1.5 view, same like any other video. And please don't ask me for more than that. 1.5 view revision video I'm going to provide. When you have to watch this revision video, watch this main module, question bank, MCQ, everything you finished it. Then watch revision videos once, then read the whole subject once before the exam. That's enough. And again, between exams you'll get 1 day time, right? At that time you can revise. Sir, we heard something about smart notes. What about that? Smart notes, I'm writing it now. Probably it will be ready by February end. Yeah, it will take up to February end or March first week also. Then I'll publish hard copy. Whoever want, you can buy. I will be keeping it cost price. I don't want to make any margin out of it. So if it is 300 rupees cost, 300 I'll collect from you. If it is 200 I'll collect only from you 200. Smart notes. Only for my students it is available for sale. That's it. So that's about smart notes. That's a colored handwritten notes for entire syllabus. That's it. That's about smart notes. So this is the content that you are going to get from me. And you see, that's how the Google Drive is also arranged. So must watch introduction and any other updates I will post it here. And you know what, by the way, you are watching this, you are going to learn entire thing from the updated amended material May 2022. Hardly 5 or 6 chapters only were having amendments, but still those 5 or 6 chapters I'm doing entirely new recording. For edition 2020 students, I'm going to do entirely. I'm not replacing only that video. I'm replacing the entire thing, entire chapter, wherever it is possible. Okay, so this is edition 2022. Everyone knows that totally in ICA book, total there are 18 chapters. These 18 chapters, I have arranged it in this order. These 18 chapters I have arranged it in this order, and every student must follow this. Very important. Please watch till the end from now, at least, especially. In the same order you need to watch the class. In the same order you need to watch the class. Don't deviate at all. Don't deviate at all. Only watch the classes in the same order. Sir, first I will start with standards. No. Please, please, I request every one of you to watch in the same order. Because there is a very good logic behind this order. The moment you start watching the video, by the time you complete audit report itself, you understand. You feel like you are a master in audit. You feel like that. That's how confidence you'll be getting. Okay, same order you follow. Don't deviate. Whatever order I have instructed, in the same order you follow. In the lectures you will get instructions, right? So same order you follow. Kindly, please, I'm requesting everyone. And coming to, sir, what is this gray highlight? What is this gray highlight? By the way, right now one more important instruction. Are you watching classes at a higher speed? I mean like 1.2 speed, 1.5 speed? Please full stop right now. Maybe this video also you're watching, I don't know. I don't know, somebody whoever is watching at 2 times speed may even not notice this. Please watch the videos, every lecture in the standard speed. Why? It's not listening which is important. It's learning which is important. Learning happens only when you do it at a standard speed. If you speed up the learning, you can't learn. Many students, what they do is they want to listen the classes first and prepare 2-3 times. What is the use of preparing 2-3 times? I bet you listen my classes one time completely, the 200 hours content, one time at a standard speed. Your revision time will be 30 to 40 hours maximum, I bet, or maximum 50 to 60 hours, worst scenario. If you do not do that, if you do not do that, if you watch the class at a higher speed and somehow finish it, you will miss the emotion or the subject or the thought process or the logic analysis which I'm transmitting you. You will miss that. I bet you will miss that. You just listen to my words, not my subject, not my content, not my learning. If you want to adapt, if you want to learn or grab the learning from me, listen to each and every class at a standard speed. That is very important instruction. Please, I request everyone to follow that. Listen at standard speed, reduce your number of revisions. Listen at a faster speed, do any number of times revision. You can't attempt paper confidently. You can't attempt a twisted paper. Why? Because you only know the words, not the logic. If you want to really crack the logic, if you want to really crack the learning, if you want to really learn and crack everything properly, listen the videos at standard speed. If at all 200 hours lecture you want to finish it within 120, why the hell we make it 200 hours? We can also make it at 120, right? But why are we giving 200 hours content if at all we can make it within 120? Do you think my emotion will transmit? Do you think my logics will transmit? Do you think my thought process will be transmitted to you? What is important of attending class? Is it listening my words? No, it's listening my thought process. It's listening my emotions, listening my, all that, like punctuations, voice pitch variation, body language. That is very important. You need to understand my body language to understand more clearly about the subject. So don't try to be over smart and listen at a higher speed. I'm a very, very, very average student. I can't understand things if I watch at a higher speed. If you're an intelligent or most ultra intelligent or legendary intelligent student, you can watch at a higher speed. If you're a student of like me, average mindset, kindly watch at standard speed. That's it. I'm giving you the shortcut for success. The shortcut for success is the real road. That's it. It's not the short road. That can never be a shortcut for the success. Always remember. So these are the instructions. And those who are smart course students, you will not be getting these chapters. You will not be getting these chapters. I hope you know it. Only up to 14th chapter you will be getting. Remaining you will not be getting. So basically I just want to share all these details. So you are getting 4 modules of material, 1, 1A, 2 and question bank. Related to that, folder videos are already there in the Google Drive. So why late? Start watching. That's it. All the best. And if you have any doubts in the subject, in Telegram, I'm always available. Put up a voice clip. Instead of typing too much, put up a voice clip. I can sense your doubt more accurately. Instead of typing, I can sense your voice more accurately. I can sense exactly what is the doubt. And remember, I can figure out why you got the doubt as well. Okay, so put up a voice clip and I'll clarify most of the times instantly the doubts. That's it. And with respect to material sources, everything I instructed in this video, only follow my material. Plus MCQ, only follow icai material. If you buy any other shortcut material, any other MCQ material, don't ask me about your result. Please. If you buy any colored notes of some other faculty or shortcut notes or MCQ materials of somebody else, don't ask me about your result. Because outside MCQ materials are completely bullshit. If you want, you can check my ICI Institute MCQ material and cross verify any other faculty MCQ material. The others material are not even 10% quality of MCQ material given by ICI. If at all I can give MCQ, I would have given. No, why I didn't give? ICI is making already a beautiful job. Okay, why should I be a competitor against it again? And coming to this material, I completely followed ICI material and prepared this. I did not deviate from the ICI material. In fact, this first chapter, 0 chapter fundamentals alone, I'm additionally giving. Okay, so what I did from ICI material is I just made formatting little more beautiful. And I entire this material is presented in question and answer format. Wherever possible, splitted the concepts into question and answers so that students can easily connect with. In exams also, they can easily write. Simply speaking, what you're going to get from my classes, you're going to learn what is audit in a most practical way. Believe me, your perception towards a subject called audit will completely change. Audit is no more the area subject for you. You will call it as practical. Here itself, I want to tell at this point itself, there are some chapters which are even very, very challenging for me. What are the chapters? I'll just show you right now the chapters which are challenging for me. Audit of internal audit, management audit, due diligence, fraud investigation, forensic audit. In these 4 chapters, and there is one more topic called automated environment. These 5 chapters, hardly all these 5 chapters together, the content size is 12 or 13 hours. In these 12-13 hours, probably you may feel little bored. I'm telling at the beginning itself, because they're very, very, very dry chapters, which requires, real practical exposure for the student, not for the faculty, to understand them. Remaining all the chapters, which means 90% of the videos, you will see how practical element, what kind of practical element I will bring into the subject. That's it. I hope you have absolute trust on me. And after you finish watching this welcome video, intro video, I'll be very happy if you give me a message. Okay, on Telegram. Yes, sir, I will follow your instruction for sure. So that I will have much assurance that yes, my student is under my particular control, instructions. He's following exactly my instruction. I'll have a sense of satisfaction. And I request you for effective clearing, whatever the standard at which the examiner may ask the audit paper, it doesn't affect you. Maybe for other students might feel worried. You don't worry. Okay. So I'm there for you. 200 hours of content. Follow exactly the instructions. Maybe audit entirely you will feel practical. Entire this audit subject you will feel very practical. You will feel very connected. That's it. All the best. Whether you're a May attempt student or November 2022 student. Okay. Until your exam, whatever amendments comes, of course it won't be there. Already this is amended material completely for May 2022 November attempt. If at all any amendments comes at a future date, very few, I'll give you free amendments video as well. That's it. I hope you understood it clearly. And kindly message me on Telegram after watching this video whether you understood about the approach or not. That's it. Bye bye.